Enzymes are kind of protein which can catalyze chemical reactions. Well, in fact, most of the reactions in your body or in every biological cells, they need enzymes working as catalysts. So, have you ever considered why we need such catalysts? Why we need enzyme? And what is the characteristics of enzymes or the advantage of enzyme comparing to other catalysts? No? Okay, that's the issue we are talking about today. Because enzymes are kind of catalysts. So the features of ordinary catalysts are also applicable to enzymes, such as we need only a small amount of enzymes to catalyze the reaction, and the enzymes can only change the reaction rate of the reaction rate, but cannot change the equilibrium of the reactions. But besides those features, I want to say that first, enzymes are such extraordinary catalysts that the rate enhancement they bring about is about are in the range of 5 to 17 orders of magnitude. So they are very effective. Do you have some feelings about the number? No? Okay. There's an example. For the reaction A plus B produce C, if there is no enzymes, C was produced, one molecule of C was produced in a second. But if enzymes are working with the reaction, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 molecules of C produced per every second. That is much more effective than if there is not enzymes working in these reactions. So we see that enzymes are really, really effective. The second feature is enzymes are very specific. They are readily discriminating between substrates with quite similar structures. They are specific. So I'll give you an example to prove this one. Do you know what is this? It is called urea. It's there are a lot of this substrate contained in our human body. So urease can catalyze this reaction, but when the urea chain is replaced by methyl urea,
enzyme is specific. It's only applied. It can only apply to one specific reaction.
Yeah, good work. So this reaction cannot take place because compare ura and methyl ura. There is a group of CH3 that doesn't exist in the ura because the enzymes, the urase, is very specific. It can only work with ura, but not methyl ura, because they are just similar, but they are not the same. So can I use this part? So the third one is enzymes are very sensitive. They are sensitive to the surrounding environment. The environment usually means the temperature, and the pH. So if the temperature is too high or the pH is too high or too low, enzymes will deactivate or even deneutralize. They cannot work anymore. The last one is they are adjustable. We can use a variety of methods to adjust the activity of the enzymes so that we can make the most of the reactions. So in this class, we know that enzymes are effective, specific, sensitive, and adjustable. So in the next class, we will look into such characteristics one by one and explain why enzymes are very important to our human body.
You write adjustable. By adjustable, you mean sensitive, right?
No.
You adjust the temperature and pH, right?
No. The adjustable means the activity of the enzymes. That means we have generally three methods to control the adjustable. We can change the amount of the enzymes, or we can introduce inhibitor or activator, or we can use hormone to adjust the activity of enzymes. They are not the same about the sensitive, because even in same temperature, same pH, if we add an inhibitor, the activity of enzymes will decrease a lot.